Hi guys, welcome to one more episode on our channel. Today I will be preparing something very delicious, yummy finger food. If you want to use a fork too, no problem, but I'm doing finger food today. I'm doing some chicken wings and wedges, potato wedges, but my chicken wings will have a different twist. It's a berry barbecue honey chicken wings. So guys, stay tuned, keep it locked, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See you later. So guys, I have my chicken washed, cleaned, and dry.
Yeah.
The ingredients that we're going to be using on our chicken, most definitely salt, cool runnings, garlic, pepper, and herbs. We're going to use all-purpose seasoning, Cool Runnings brand. And we're going to use paprika and seasoning salt. And we're going to use flour to deep fry our chicken wings, okay? Because we're going to fry them and then we're going to base it with our sauce. But later on, I will get to the sauce. We're adding our salt first. I don't like using too much salt. Just a little. I don't like salty food. And a little. Use our seasoning salt because salt is already in our powdered seasoning, so you don't need to use too much. Paprika, I don't like salty food. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
That's all right.
A little bit more.
Okay. Paprika take a while.
Use all-purpose. You want it to be flavorful, right? And we're gonna use our herbs.
My favorite seasoning.
This go on everything. I put it on vegetable and all them something there. Yeah, and I'm a dumpling, everything. Yeah, you can go in your dumpling too if you want a little seasoning in your dumpling. My husband is touching me and say, look in the camera.
Yeah, you have to looking at the thing.
Alright, a little bit salt, a little bit more salt.
But I kill it.
And we're gonna, I don't have a food glove, so I'm gonna use this, alright?
In Jamaica, you have to take your hand make.
Fashion.
Yes.
So I'm gonna, and I have my baby, so I don't wanna put my hand in. And guys, you don't have to use too much salt, but because remember you're gonna put the barbecue sauce on it, so that's gonna, you know, like I said, I don't cook with a lot of salt. No, I like to watch my health. I like to eat healthy. I don't use too much salt. See? Okay, so a bit of liquor. Chicken wings there. Alright, see? Season. This is how I like it. So now, I'm going to put this aside and then I'm going to season my flour to fry the chicken wings. Seasoning our flour to dip our chicken wings in, okay? Like I said, you didn't need to put much salt on the chicken wings because some is going to go in the flour and then your chicken wings going to have your barbecue sauce on it.
You're putting a paprika in that too?
Yeah, it's a little.
Take a paprika in the flour. Let the flour pop. It in paprika. So you pop the flour.
Okay.
A
little seasoning salt.
Season salt, another one.
Guys, if you hear the noise in the background, my daughter's in the background, okay?
Our kids are around there.
Alright.
Behind us, right beside us. Beside us, you know, we're watching them same time. Yeah.
Salt. I hope it's not salty, you know. I don't think so. I'm going to mix it up. And then we're going to baste our chicken wings and then we're going to deep fry it, okay? Alright guys, we're going to, yeah. I just want the flour to have a little flavor, right? Stay tuned.
So many people see there. Wow. You know, we can start a little thing called HFC, home fried chicken. But look at that. The next stage of this is going to be when it's being barbecued and prepared differently. But right now, we put it in this container for it to go, you know, put the sauce on it and we put in the oven. Good job, babes. They want a shot and it tastes, trust me, it tastes good. They can start a business. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hope you like it. Next level coming. See you? Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Katie make up a sauce that for the thing, may I whisper because I kind of want it's supposed to be a secret, but may I bust the secret, alright? So we put that thing there, some blueberry mix with strawberry thing, and then you have the grace hot sauce, and then you have the honey, and then you have the Diana barbecue sauce. So when she put them 4 things, you're going to see the end product, alright? So stay tuned for that. When she mix it round with pork and the chicken, alright? Stay tuned for that.
Cutting my potato for my potato wedges. So if you want to learn how to cut the potatoes to get that wedge look, just cut the potato in half, right, like that, and then you cut it again in another half, like that. See, and then you can cut it one more time. If you want big wedges, no problem, but I like that's how I cut my wedges. I hope I'm doing it properly, but that's how I do my wedges. Okay. Right. This one wrong, guys, but anyway, I said wedges, this one is cut wrong. I'm no professional chef, but you can cook a meal, right? Alright, wedges. So on my wedges, I added olive oil, some herb seasoning, paprika, and salt. You can add it to your preference, how salty you want your potatoes to be, right? So when you add all of the ingredients, this is how it's supposed to be looking, and then I'm going to put it in the oven. Okay.